Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by identifying exactly what you have. Is it a sewn fabric label, a paper price tag, or a hard anti-theft tag? Once done, get scissors and a seam ripper ready. These are for legitimate label removal only. Make sure you also have your receipt and any packaging, because if it's a security device, you'll need proof of purchase. You'll act differently depending on type, so don't guess. Inspect the attachment point and proceed with the matching safe approach. You now follow the appropriate method. For sewn labels, slide a seam ripper under the stitches and remove stitches in short sections so you don't cut the fabric. This preserves the item. For paper or plastic price tags, snip the attachment loop close to the tag and peel the remaining bit away gently. If the tag is a hard anti-theft device or you cannot identify it, stop and contact the store. Forcing it risks damage or legal issues, so don't attempt to defeat it. Finish by checking the area. Trim stray threads or adhesive residue with a soft cloth and mild soap. Test any cleaner on an inconspicuous spot first so you don't discolor the item. If you notice damage, make sure to keep the receipt and return to the store. You can request in-person assistance or a repair option. And if the tag is a security device, don't try to remove it. Go to customer service with proof of purchase, and they will remove it for you safely.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.